Slayers, and you guys are tuned in to the Workday Slay. And today we're going to talk about rejection in the industry. You guys go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment about things that you want to hear about, topics you want me to talk about, or maybe you just have a question that you would like to ask. But if you guys want to elevate your career or you want to have a one-on-one with me, go ahead and go to that link down in the description box. You guys will be able to have any one-on-one, ask me any question that you would like. Are you guys ready to begin? Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna jump right into it. Rejection, disgrace, even okay, y'all. I got that from off of Lion King too.
Now, I like how I just confidently got that song wrong. It say deception.
But it does go along on the topic of what we're talking about, which is rejection. Being rejected doesn't always mean that you won't make it. You might hear a lot of no's before you finally get the yes that you want. You might go in this avenue and it might not necessarily work out for you, but maybe if you try something else or try something different, it might work out. Now, this rejection topic it comes from personal experience. I was rejected numerous times from LA Fashion Week before I actually walked. And the year I walked, I made the cover of a magazine. Now, the crazy thing about it is I tried out this season that I got chosen to be in the magazine. I tried out for LA Fashion Week 3 times. They have castings way before LA Fashion Week, and then they have castings right before LA Fashion Week. And I mean the same designer, the exact same designer that denied me, accepted me. So I've been rejected based on my size, because at one point when I did start modeling, it was only 0 to 2 dress size. Now, well, 00 to 2. Now they've elevated where they go standard size up to a size 4. So I got rejected a lot, but I stayed persistent and kept going. Rejection is sometimes a hard pill to swallow. Sometimes it can even hurt when you hear no, or no, you're not selected, or this isn't for you. I mean, cut you to the core. But as many no's as you hear, you might just hear a yes. There are so many famous people in this industry that have gotten rejected. For example, Jay-Z. Jay-Z was not signed to a label at first. Heck, no one wanted to sign Jay-Z at first because he was a really, really street artist. But now Jay-Z has formed into the artist that we know and love, and businessman that we know and love. Another example, Michael Jordan, who was cut from his high school basketball team. He was cut from his high school basketball team. And guess what? He has hit all-time records in not only basketball, but baseball. And now everybody's wearing his shoes. Now, I know a lot of you that watch my channel know who Vera Wang is. Before she became a well-known designer, she was a figure skater. And she failed to make the 1968 U.S. Olympics. But guess what? There she had another avenue to fall back on, and she became one of the world-renowned designers. One of the world-renowned designers. Even Giselle, whom I love so much, was rejected by 42 modeling agencies before she was chosen by Alexander McQueen to walk in his show. Being rejected doesn't mean you won't make it. So get that out of your head. Rejection should not let you give up on your dreams. It only makes you stronger. So, Slayers, you choose. Either you be rejected and give up on your dreams, Or you be rejected and pushed forward and persevere through it all? Make a decision. And as I always say, Slayers, do something that you never thought that you would do. And that's go for your dreams. You guys are tuned into the Workday Slay. Have a great day. Bye-bye.